The topic for today's interaction is this key issues on employee satisfaction and employee engagement in organization. Not a new thing. Most of you who are involved in HR profession must be using it in some way. Somebody may be doing very good, excellent. It all depends on, as somebody said, that your efficiency or effectiveness depends on how big idiot is sitting in front of you. So, it all depends in what circumstances, what environment you are working. So, it is difficult to generalize, but there are certain important points and approach which may be useful in a given situation. So, it is an open topic for interaction. I am not saying that I am giving all the medicine or all the cure of all the problems, but then based on my experience, and some of them, as I said, where I walk the talk, at least those things I can try to explain and put my views in front of you. I will just run through some of these definition part and fundamentals, which you may be aware already, but just a refresher, refreshing the concept and coming back to the common understanding. Employee satisfaction or job satisfaction is the extent to which employees are happy or content with their jobs and work environment. Issues like compensation, workload, perception of management, flexibility, teamwork, resources, etc. are addressed. In fact, for some organizations, satisfied employees are people the organization might be better off without. Now it is a very, some of you may be thinking, what is this? We are talking about employee satisfaction and you are saying some organization can be better off without them. First thing is that, let me tell you in the beginning that there is a difference between employee engagement and employee satisfaction. And initially, many organizations got swayed away or confused with this satisfaction part of it. Now, an employee may be very much satisfied. His pay salary is very good. Like a typical, if you take I will not generalize all the public sectors today, but take a typical public sector, employee is satisfied, he has got all the benefits, salary, wages, every quarter I think DA revised, whatever bonus, facilities, everything available. Why he should leave the organization? He is happy. Now, organization is doing well or not doing may not be his part of priority. But then he is happy because if he goes to some other organization, very competitive ones, demanding ones, he may be thrown out within a month. But here it is a place where he is getting everything to his requirement and satisfaction and he is happy. So that is a crude way of, I will say, I'm putting the word crude way of defining what is satisfaction. And in today's context, this satisfaction is not good enough to move along or compete in this today's environment. Coming back to employee engagement. Employee engagement is the extent to which employees feel passionate about their jobs, are committed to the organization and put discretionary effort into their work. Engaged employees are motivated to do more than bare minimum in order to keep their jobs. And engaged employees work for the goal and outcome rather than task. Now this, I will hold for a moment here before I move further, and we'll try to come on the same level of understanding on this, what is the goal and what is the task. I'll give one example of the same success story which I was telling in the morning. A person is responsible for, I'm just giving some of you maybe, all of them you are not from steel plant, but fortunately or unfortunately I have been in the steel plant a long time. So it is difficult to forget the steel plant. And you will excuse me for that. Now I am talking about a steel making department where there are about 12 subsections. And one of them is a mixer hot metal, where the hot metal from blast furnaces comes and it is stored. And there is a crane, 2 cranes are operating to unload and load the hot metal. From mixer, it goes to converter for making steel. From converter, it goes to steel transfer car. From there, to ladle heating furnace for refining. Then from there, it goes to caster for casting, and then it is storage. And these are the main operations. And when you talk about subsections, there is a water system, there is a slag yard, there is a scrap yard, there is a mold repair system. There are so many, 5, 6, 7. These are the main operations. And in a typical setup, operation people are one citizen, what do you call it? Class 1 citizen of that department. Then comes the maintenance people, level 2, and then third is services and other connected departments. So this person comes from second class, that is electrical maintenance. I am just trying to give the picture because you see how an engagement can create the whole change, and that is what it happened exactly. Now, during the process of our communication exercise and whatever I was talking in the morning, and I will give example at the end, we have to explain then that what is your role. Your role is not only to operate this one crane or that mixer. We as a collective team in the department, we had to create 27 hits per day. This was the slogan everywhere written. Even in the shift office or in any variable light, 27 hits per day. The moment you enter the department, you see this booth of 27 hits. And they were not able to achieve earlier, 16, 18, 17, struggling hard. Slowly, we came to a stage, then if 27 hits is not made, that is 9 hits per shift, broken down to shift level, then there had to be a good reason explained to everybody why this could not be made and who is the defaulter. Whether it is a scrap section, whether it is a converter section, whether it is a SMS section, or anybody. And over a time period, about 3-4 months, we came to a stage where everybody understood and realized that they are not a second-class citizen of this department or third-class citizen of the department, they are the first-class citizen. Now, what I am saying about the engagement, now after all this story, I am giving a live example. When I was as HOD of the department, about 6:30, 7 o'clock, I was trying to just move around the shop before leaving the department, going home. I saw 3-4 persons running away from a distance. They were just literally running. And they are technicians, they are not officers, they are electricians, straight away. So I thought there is some problem, because when they are running means either some fire or something mishap has happened. That is why they are running. So I was also scared, so I called, hey, just a minute, hold on, where are you going? So 3 of them ran away. One person came running and he was practically like this. What happened? Why you are running? And that reply, I was moved and pleasantly surprised, and what do you call it, with that reply. He said, sir, and he is an electrician, simply technician I will say. Sir, we are